Gilbert Njoga e Facebook wacho ni Awasi Katito Road okunwa ni wachne no chopo kure koso girito manyo kode ombulu mar second term allocation mare be nitiere to nitiere machielo bende mapenjo wach ndara wacho ni penj na Trevor penj na CS ni ndara mawuok Sori Migori be okete budget ni ma okelo aluoch Jakiranda nderni mage ma Kaluo mukete budget kae
nderni modhuro in fact achako ge Awasi Katito a financial year marumo ni no waketo 200 million mano ningo be ni chakego problem manyo bede en ma nyase kono mjumbe ni follow up en samanyo ndara pesa ni oketi under Kenya National Highways Authority nderni makera te budget manyo waketo gisetimo procurement gise award ngeny gi contractors ne site kendang na wuoye moko bende contractors ani mobilize this site to Awasi Katito ni waketo under Kenya then Kenya nyocho tuchige wanymo ni pesa no mondo ndara no Awasi Katito urit Lake Victoria Ring Road ane madhiro sani tang'eyo ni pod odhi kao karibu 1 year mondo mi ochakre so kagiketo ni Katito obro kao muda ne wasekete budget kendo wamedo ne 200 million this year so en gi 400 million shillings to jogo poko timo procurement gi digni nyase kono ochiep na majarero kelo nyolo ane wach ni budget ni ka Trevor you can see it is here under Kisumu County one gi Awasi Katito 200 million in last financial year and then we have Awasi Katito this year pe waketo ne 200 million
koro Ken Hema digni nderni mage kendo makoro makaluo
now let me we kura ade into details and then I hope libro me like 3-4 minutes
wuolo kwadi ka usimu mondi
wachak gi Kisumu Kisumu nitie ndara mosi chendo kabisa ndara miluongo ni Mamboleo Miwani Kisumu Chamele Muoroni Road ndara ni ndara maduong' ahinya makata cross to ket nega budget morome nyocha last financial year at least ni waketo ne pesa ma gen lots adek lot mokwongo ni waketo ne 218 million lot mar ariyo 225 million lot mar adek 274 million kara koro kasomo kaka lot goringo but apanjo pinyo ng'eyo now that biro over 600 million sani tich tire wamede pesa sani billion achiel 1.393 billion lot mokwongo waketo 259 then 248 lot mar ariyo then 286 lot mar adek mano kele 793 million then nya chaka medo kane well forward budget mago noketi samane sectoral groups romo jo roads no allocate mano then nya chaka medo 600 million on top of that and kura kete lump sum 600 million you can see it here so mano kele 1.39 almost 1.4 billion this now will ensure Nendarani at least somehow by next year it should be done. So that is Kisumu. It's the main road in Kisumu. Nitiere Kisumu kanyo ndara miluongo ni Holo Lela. Manyochi neno ka president of the Oyao. Holo Lela Road last year na waketo ne 200 million and about 12 to 14 kilometers. No waketo 200 million man obedo tendered, obedo procured, ma contractor is on site. And wamede nesani 199 million about 200 kendo so it is a road is going on very well as I watch ni Katito Awasi but besides Katito Awasi there is Rabuor Chiga Road mabende again the same digni mara tendering ema dhimbele kanyo en bende Kenha digni kode but en gi 200 million manyocha pukotiyo to kendo en gi 56 million Muhammad onesani mano Kisumu County kidhi Migori County Migori County and Trevor gimoro banadwa na wachka ingeni chon nyochi allocate pesa budget okakota 3-4 years at least this time pesa manyo wakete budget for 2025-26 mapukuru money almost all the contracts have been awarded kendo nyo winjo gregi president nikupogore gi ndara ma duong man Siaya miluongo ni Boro Kodiaga Kodiaga Road madhi nyaka Usenge to gi Masara Moro ema president dwano bio nyo winjore kono bro yao in person. The rest of the road ni okona na team neg launching contractors ochake. Ma already most contractors was mobilized and that were just run over them. Kidhi Migori wan gi ndara milungo ni ndara
to kataka po wiki sumo kanyo koruso in dam matago jo nyando
no koruso in dam to we are not doing it now because wakao dams te watero under national infrastructure fund wagolo dams te e budget
enokodonje
budget and the fund chose chakutich mabe already wachako process ma recruiting the board pesa already near that fund. What one that fund will be activated and will be operationalized. Cause temano tokoro koruzo in dam achiel kum dams will be prioritized ni the kado the laws. Now Migori County Kanyawanga Dede Rapogi Road nige million miario giprocho gangwen already contractor ose yodene and contractor ne ose yodi and contractor ne iluongo ni Guangxi Hydroelectric and 32 kilometers. Pesa madhitiyo kanyo ten 2.2 billion. Already a budget marumoni and 294 masani waketo 264. Kiriwo this total is almost 600 million. Machako ndarano. Contractor is already mobilizing and before the end of this month ade out this road. In fact, ade ya yore Migori, ade chako goto got kachola, mabe has been awarded, got kachola obed awarded to calibrated systems, and okodeka 1.4 billion. What they are energy budget, Marario, and Kanyawanga Dede Mawachono, 32 kilometers, Maradek and Posta Nyikendo Nyaronginya Kamakalda, 32 kilometers, ma contractor and Ben Guanxi hydroelectric. And when they were there, they got 2.11 billion. Stella Gogo already contractors on site, New Joseph awarded, and 1.6 billion mundo room, contractor Mariluni Diro construction. Then one Ginara Machilu Miluni Kababu, Bondo Pino Ye, Mazamzam construction, immobile awarded, and 1.384 billion. Magin de Nimadhiao, Stella Gogo to contractors already on site. Tiyo, mokoge contractors are mobilizing. Kibiro, koro mana weo masaramo uru nkichenanda kenha embe usebeda awarded already. Eto president himself biro yawe. Kidi Homa Bay wangi nderi ni mosebedo mokuongo Homa Bay ngeni nentie nderi ni adek maneloso no chungte. Sani they are going on. Mbita Sindo Magunga Nyakasuri Road. Is going on very quickly and very fast.
Okay.
And then the budget moro kuro kadini details. Ke the machielo en yo maluwo kadel kanyadhiang malbel ringo nyaka tok goduma. En bende bedo ne uchung sani odhi mbele kendo en gi budget. Wan diedo namba karabuk bende osetim nus ne sani to no chung. Sani osetim nus ne en gi budget kae king'iyo ka and the budget mar 141 million.
Okay.
Now, map kurubeda awarded sani. One gira Ngwendiru Road, madika 10 kilometers, most major million Decotech Enterprises, 865 million. At the Yaogi, end of this month, contractor is mobilizing. One giku Gutanya Bera Road, Momi Jomilione Dabal Consortium, 1.095 billion. 12 kilometers. One we go to Kujowe Sogo Tati Road, Momi Tosha holding 14 kilometers, 915 million. Already contractor is on site. Was mobilized, Osegero campsite, they are on site. Tonga Kisa Usiri Safe Roads construction, 17 kilometers, 1.357 billion. And when the contractor is mobilizing. Then one man, Subanot, Luanda Nyaka Kanyakiamu, former minister. Ome Bridgeways construction, it's 1 billion 35 billion 12 kilometers. One Giyore Mabende Dimbele Kanyo Arujo Bridge is going to take 98 million, is already in the budget. One Lela Ruga Road and no Sebeda awarded was made on a budget. One Imbo Wahambla Road. Tokimachielo and Jerry Uriwo Road. waket on a budget of 120 million. It's ongoing already. Okay, the kanye modo
adeka siaya pokiwe.
Siaya nigi several routes. Let me just quickly go through Siaya. Siaya one Gibondo Ayawi Kibango Leunda Road. Mano is ongoing. Then Machielo in Siaya is let me just quickly move to Siaya. Sorry. Yeah, Siaya nitie kodiagara bango mana wachocha. Usenge Road. The president there already is awarded, and it is here ubeda awarded to Gwansi. 74.8 kilometers, all the cow 4.6 billion already in the budget. 850 to Wamedo 236. Mano Kimedo is over 1 billion. Mano for that road. Nitire Bondo bypass road. Manuja budget Masan is 400. Wamedo ne 41. So I give 441. Eno sebe osichiwe neguan sibe 1.9 billion. Another yawe myself. Then one gi Wangarot, Asembu Bay, Kalandin, and Yoma is ongoing, and the budget of 141. One Gisidin Disigomre Masiro, 274. Boro Hawenga Wazi Road, 394 million. One Gikalandin, Kailija, Ma is a new one, and tendering Mario Duade Kukidogo, but we are pushing it, and 395 million.
Kigo so,